Right, in this video again we're going to use integration by parts. So find the following indefinite integral. Integral of x squared e to the 3x dx. We're going to use integration by parts. This is the formula for integration by parts. U dv by dx dx is equal to uv v du by dx dx. So we're going to let this be u and this be dv by dx. So let u be equal to x squared. Therefore, du by dx is 2x. dv by dx will be e to the 3x. And therefore, v will be equal to e to the 3x. You get itself, but you need to put a third in front. So, applying the rule, we're going to get u, again, put it in bracket, x squared times v, which is 1/3 e to the 3x, minus the integral of v, again put it in brackets, 1/3 e to the 3x, times du, which is 2x, and then dx, again at the end. Simplifying that, that becomes 1/3 x squared e to the 3x, and this becomes, we're going to have 2/3, so minus 2/3 the integral of x e to the 3x dx. We've still got a product here, so we will probably have to do this again. So we'll stop here and call that equation 1, and we'll now focus on integrating this part here. So the integral of x e to the 3x dx. So using parts again, we'll let u be equal to x. If we differentiate that, we get 1. dv by dx is e to the 3x, and if we integrate that, we're going to get e to the 3x. Don't forget the 1/3 in front. And then this is the formula here for integration by parts. So x e to the 3x dx will be equal to x, which is u, times v, which is 1/3 e to the 3x, minus the integral of 1/3 e to the 3x times 1 dx. This will become 1/3 x e to the 3x. Then if we integrate this, this will become e to the 3x, but we'll get another 1/3, which will now make it 1/9 e to the 3x, plus a constant. Now what we can do, we can substitute that into equation 1. So equation 1 was the original integral, there's the first part, and then we have to, the bit of the integral, we now replace it here in red. So 1/3 x e to the 3x, minus 1/9 e to the 3x, and then we call the constant c, where c will be 2/3 of whatever k is. Strictly speaking, it will be minus 2/3 of k. Right, now we will expand that, so that will be minus 2/9 x e to the 3x plus 2/27 e to the 3x plus c. Right, writing that out again, we'll just simplify it. And there's a common factor of e to the 3x. So I'm going to take out 1/27. So that means that will be 9x squared, because when we do it, 9/27 is 1/3, minus 6/27, because that will give me minus 2/9, plus 2 plus c, and that will give me the final answer. So this has been an integration by parts, where you in fact have to integrate the function twice. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.